Snow now?
She's like, I don't know about that. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Audrey and I'm a full-time caregiver for my daughter Autumn, who has Down syndrome and autism. So if you're into that sort of thing, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I want to share with you guys our trip to Knott's Berry Farm. We did go last year and stayed at the hotel, and then we did it again this year, so stay tuned. Autumn, we're going to have a great time, okay?
Okay.
We're going to go to Knott's Berry Farm, and we're going to go to the hotel. We're going to have a staycation. Does that sound good?
Okay.
You get your own bed all to yourself, okay?
Okay.
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 Look at Mommy's got her hat on. Does it look good?
Yeah.
We're going to have fun. I'm excited. Say yeah. Say woohoo. We're going to have fun. Even with that cough. But it's a lot better than it was.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Eat.
We made it. We're here. It's here. It's time.
Yes. Percival.
Audrey?
Yep.
Okay, you guys can either pull up straight ahead or just park anywhere as long as it's not reserved for 15-minute parking.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.
Say bye. Let's go.
Go.
Let's go get our hotel room. Is this us?
You said 7, right?
Going. We made it. All right. This side looks like a bathroom. Got a bathtub. Looks like a closet. I guess you can put your stuff there, Joe.
A whole lot.
Yes, it looks the same as last time. Oh, we got a view of the parking lot. I mean, it's kind of pretty though, because the sun's going down.
Well, yeah, that's nature's prettiness.
All right. And then go through to see Dad and Autumn. Hi. We got a view of the parking lot. Okay. Oh, what about his shirt?
Joe has it in his hand.
Okay, perfect. Guess what? We have reservations for the chicken dinner restaurant.
Also look at that marketplace too while we
Yeah, look and see if they have a sparkle tree for Mom.
Yes.
Because I got to get my annual sparkle tree. And it's perfect timing.
Which one's the voucher? Oh, like last time there's 5 years old?
Yeah, this is what they... Looks like bubbles. I love it. Going down. Adam, you want to push the button? Okay, never mind. Adam, isn't it pretty? The Christmas tree? So pretty. I think it is running. All right, Autumn. You hold one and me hold one and see which one she picks. This is really different for Mommy's glitter trees. Which one? Oh, she. Plus, that was the one you.
Let's switch them.
Well, actually,
Let's
what about
switch.
this one? Because it's different.
Let's just switch. Watch. Which one, Autumn?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Every time.
But what about the one with just the dots?
Get the one with just the dots. I think
Okay,
that's what I grabbed.
this one.
But I didn't.
Hi. We're gonna eat chicken. Does that sound good? She always likes to draw her lines. All right, what are we gonna get?
You want to appetizer?
If the boys are gonna eat it, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure they're gonna eat it.
Appetizers. What appetizer do you want?
Oh, here we go.
Let's see onions. Okay.
I think I'm just gonna get the chicken tender dinner. Cheers. Yeah. Autumn is chicken noodle and salad. Autumn got Jello and bread.
No, for him, yeah, Joe. Yeah.
I don't know, Autumn. No, thank you. Well, she's in it. She likes the Jello.
You gotta not dip it.
I know, that's what I was thinking. I want to dip it. These are like the tiniest little breads I've ever seen.
They're delicious, though.
They smell really good. I got chicken and waffles, babe. That looks real good.
That was hers?
Thank you. Hey, thank you.
Come so far.
That looks good, sweetheart.
You want ketchup?
She's like, yeah. Autumn always goes right in for the potatoes. Do you want the gravy or no? No? Okay. I think that's what that is. Or no, it's barbecue. Never mind. Well, she likes it. Look at that big juicy thing. It looks huge. Autumn, you like the chicken? Yeah? I think it's tasty. Barbecue sauce is good too. We're here. It looks cool. Ghost town.
Yeah, I remember last year.
Oh, and it's crazy in here. Lots of lights. I like the music. We're gonna see the Snoopy show. Say yay! Are you excited? Say yeah! We're gonna see Snoopy on ice. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Love you. This area is my favorite because it's all in purple. Oh, it looks cool. Perfect. Are you excited for the show? E? You're okay, Autumn. You're doing good.
We can hardly wait to get the show started. But first, we need to go over a few quick things with all of you. Please take notice of the emergency exits on your right, left, and along the upper level doors.
Autumn, there's Snoopy! Look at Snoopy!
They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Mr. Santa. Won't you on the farm? Mr. Santa, bring us a lot. Mr. Santa, bring me some toys. Bring me just let cool on tonight. God played with them, we're ready for flight. I'm in the mood. Merry Christmas. But I can weather the storm. What do I care? No. I love to keep me warm.
Look at the snow, Autumn! Oh, do you see the snow?
Spend your everything as possible.
not melting on my skin.
Autumn! Look at the snow! Woohoo!
Christmas miracle. Like snow now? Okay.
She's like, I don't know about that. Autumn does not like it. Back to the room eating leftovers. I'm watching Family Guy. Boysenberry pie leftovers. Autumn. She's already under the covers, cozy. We are so happy that Autumn got better in time so we could still go stay at the hotel and go to the park. And the only two things I really wanted to do was I wanted to see Disney on Ice and I wanted to see the snow that they do in the park. And we missed both of those last year. We tried, but it was like such a nightmare. It was so crowded. So this year we got to do both of those things. So I was super duper happy. I was really impressed with the show. I thought the Snoopy on Ice was awesome. Autumn did have anxiety when we first got into like the room, and she didn't really watch it. She doesn't really watch movies. She doesn't really watch shows. She kind of just rocks back and forth and looks at the floor. She really doesn't enjoy it. So she didn't cry and she didn't like want to leave or anything. So that was good, but she did have anxiety. We also really enjoyed the chicken dinner restaurant. And the first time we went, we didn't make a reservation. And then the wait time was 2 hours. And we were like, oh, we're not doing that. So we just got food in the park. But the food in the park is not great. The food in the restaurant's way better. So we made a reservation this time and we loved it. The food was really good. And we definitely will go there again. I do think we will make this a new tradition that we do every Christmas time because we really, really enjoyed it. Go see Snoopy on Ice and go to the chicken dinner restaurant because it was a really good time. You guys gotta let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Knott's Merry Farm during Christmas time. If you've seen the Snoopy on Ice show, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Honestly, it was so fun and we had a great time. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, also subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Lots more videos to come, so stay tuned.